A magnitude 6.3 earthquake has struck northern Afghanistan. This is just months after another deadly tremor left the country reeling as it contended with a series of humanitarian crises.
Now, Afghan provincial health officials say at least 7 have died and 150 others have been injured in the latest earthquake. According to USGS, the latest quake hit in the early hours of Monday morning at a depth of 28 kilometers with the epicenter near the city of Mazar-i-Sharif. The quake sent residents of Mazar-i-Sharif, one of Afghanistan's largest northern cities, running into the streets due to the fears their homes would collapse.
Now, it is the latest natural disaster to hit the country, which has faced 3 major deadly quakes since the Taliban took over the country in 2021, even as the foreign aid that formed the backbone of the country dramatically dropped. In August, a shallow 6.0 magnitude earthquake in the country's east wiped out mountainside villages and killed more than 2,200 people. Large tremors in western Herat near the Iranian border in 2023 and in eastern Nangarhar province in 2022 killed hundreds and destroyed thousands of homes.